I said this is clear. Which are the division? 47 division. सरकार, परगना, विलेज. और वहां क्या था? सिख, परगना, SHIQ, सिख, परगना, village in Delhi Sultanate. And in the Shershah story, what is there? Sarkar. What I said that? Sarkar, Pargana, village. और जब हम लोग मुगल्स में आएंगे तो then we'll see something like Subba will come. I said that. इसके बाद these are the things. Thereafter we are going to see Todermal, revenue reform, sorry, agricultural reform. And this reform has also gone to Akbar. Akbar has also adopted this. And Todermal was also the part of it. उस समय. And then I said that his land revenue system is, I said that noteworthy as he classified the land into what? 3 level. याद रखेंगे, आपको कभी मेंस में भी काम आ सकता है, so many ways. Which I said that good, middle, bad. Good, middle, bad. And how much they were charging for it? 1/3 of the produce. And land was measured by using the, which I said that Sikandar Lodi has given Gaje Sikandari. And how many digits are there? 32 digits. And यही इसके लिए बहुत famous थे. Perhaps you remember. I said that Gaje Sikandari. And then Todermal contributed greatly in the development of revenue policy of Shershah. And Akbar also adopted the same revenue policy, albeit with the some amendments. Shershah personally, अब this is clear? Yes or not? क्या लिख रहा है? Shershah having a best administration or not? Shershah के बाद who will come? Akbar. So they are doing, these two people are doing what? Best administration. Yes? Who has given, tell me, Jakal? A taxation system. Yes. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who has given? Taxation system में लास्ट में तो बोल रहा था सभी जगह he has done the land, revenue, irrigation. Who has developed canals and all? Made several hospitals, liberal approach. Who has? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. And Firoz Shah Tughlaq, what he has done? क्या था? याद है आप लोगों को? फर्स्ट खड़ा हो जाओ, जज आ गए हैं. खराज जजिया, खराज जजिया, खड़े हो जाओ, जज आए हैं. यस, खराज आपको पता है ना किसके लिए था? कौन खड़े रहते थे? हिंदू और मुस्लिम. हिंदू के साथ 10% टैक्स. एंड देयर आफ्टर जजिया इट इज एन इट इज आल्सो व्हाट इज एन रिलीजियस टैक्स. एंड देन जकाल 2 मतलब कौन थे? काल. उनके साथ प्रॉपर्टी पे 2.5%. एंड देन वी हैव सीन खाम्स दैट इज ऑन द व्हाट? वार बूटी. 1/5 ऑफ द वार बूटी. यस. एंड आई सेड दैट हु हैज गिवन द चेहरा जिसके पास खाली टाइम था? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. Who has given the best reforms he has also done? The greatest ruler I can say in the whole Delhi Sultanate. Yes, I said that what he has given? चेहरा टाइम था तो सभी का जितने भी मिलिट्री. And then dog it is given to the horse. Understood? UPSC, these are the things with उधर आप जो चीज है completely imbibe, you just imbibe in your mind. Understood? UPSC launched the question from here and there by changing something, and suddenly, yeah, I have read this. 2.5 marks, 2 marks is going away. हाँ? So इसलिए रिवीजन लाइफ में सोचो, यही लाइफ है, यही समय है, nothing more than that. I said. Thereafter I said Shershah introduces several things in the fixed standard weights and measures and all. Postal services. और उस समय तो बहुत जरूरी है. लेटर तो मिलेगा नहीं, चिट्ठी कहां से आएगी? यस. कैसे कोई बोलेगा कि हमीदुद्दीन, कैसे बोलेगा कोई? मैनुद्दीन, कैसे कोई बोलेगा? मेरे पास हर वक्त आता है. आप लोगों के पास हर वक्त आता होगा, अभी भी आ रहा होगा, सब साइलेंट करके बैठे होंगे. आई सेड दैट now he has given what? Rupaya. What he has given? Rupaya. I said that silver coin and then copper as a दाम. Copper क्या बोला? And silver को Mr. इल्तुतमिश ने क्या बोला था? टंका. And I said that जीतल. Copper as जीतल। और फिरोज शाह तुगलक आते आते सब गरीब हो गए थे, तो लोगों ने क्या किया था, जीतल को ही अद्धा करने लगे थे। कॉपर बिकम अद्धा एंड देन भीख। इफ रिमेंबर भीख, देखो भिकुनी वहां पे है, ध्यान रखिएगा यहाँ पे भीख। I said that and then and abolished all old mixed metal currency, सारे हटा दिया, and he has done that is in a 1 रुपया and then दाम। आज भी नाम सुनते हैं रुपया and दाम। And he promoted the cause of the trade and commerce, reducing the number of custom duty collection centers. One it is I said that Indus on the west, and along it is I said that Bihar and Bengal border. Only these are the two places where the custom duty and other duties taxes are big taken. क्योंकि साउथ के साइड में तो वो लोग they have lost. I said that what are the two regions I said that, tell me? Indus on the west, and then I said that Bengal and Bihar border on the east. This is the two places they are taking what is duties. Clear? कोई भी वेस्ट साइड से आ रहा है, सेंट्रल एशिया से आ रहा है, they have to give tax on, कहां पे देंगे? Tell me. Indus को क्रॉस करते समय they have to give the tax, and another tax that they are coming from the east and other they have to Bihar से क्रॉस करते समय that they will give. And then Sesa improved the communication by which road he has made? Grand Trunk Road. And along the Grand Trunk Road, which tree he has put? Huh? Yes, हमें पता है Grand Trunk Road. कौन सा? Yes, tell me. Which tree? Which tree he? What is it? अरे आप लोग सबसे बेस्ट ट्री कौन है जिससे हेल्थ इज गुड? पीपल। नीम। नीम को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? नीम ही बोलते हैं। क्लियर? सो नीम इन इंग्लिश, नीम इन हिंदी। अंडरस्टूड? सो नीम, therefore I said, लेकिन औरंगजेब हटा के सारा इमली लगा दिया था। कई जगहों पे इमली लगाया उसने। इमली समझते हैं? I said that and Grand Trunk Road, and then from the Indus River to Kolkata, Sonargaon. क्लियर है? इंडस रिवर टू, जो कि हम लोग बोलते हैं बाद में लाहौर टू कोलकाता। अंडरस्टूड? चाहे पहले पेशावर था। So I said that Indus River to Sonargaon in Bengal. Build the tomb सासाराम, पहले भी देख रखा। सासाराम में क्या बनाएंगे? सासाराम से बिहार साइड से he was coming, and then what he has made? A tomb in, we have seen also in the art and culture and all, a new city on the bank of Yamuna river. शेर बंदा कैसा होता है? अपने पुराने गुफा में रहता है। Where he lives? In old cave. He lives in the, and the राजा, ये शेर खान कहाँ रहेगा? पुराना किला। So what he has made? Sher Shah Suri has made, yes, पुराना किला। कहाँ गया? Okay. He built a new city on the bank of Yamuna river, present day Purana Kila. And then Malik Muhammad Jaisi composed Padmavat in Hindi during his reign. Clear है? I said Muhammad Jaisi क्या है? Padmavat. What he has composed? Padmavat. And Abbas Khan Sarwani has given a Tarikh-e-Sher Shahi. Abbas Khan Sarwani. मतलब राजा को, that have you seen the शेर? शेर को देखो कि शेरवानी, do you understand what is the शेरवानी? At the time of marriage the people used to wear. शेर को पहनने की जरूरत है? His whole body itself looking like शेरवानी. Yes or no? शेरवानी. I said who has written शेरवानी? Sorry, who has written तारीख़-ए-शेर शाही? शेरवानी। ये बस याद रखना, शेरवानी। और उसका शेरवानी कैसा दिखता है? What kind of? Mast. What I said that? I said that Abbas Khan Sarwani Tarikh-e-Sher Shahi. And there we are already said that Muhammad Jaisi Padmavat. अभी ये याद रखना इसमें। क्लियर है? Akbar. Yes. Clear? So what he has given? Sesa. What he has given? And Wakil earlier known as Prime Minister. वकील अर्लियर नॉन एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर। ध्यान रखिएगा। क्लियर? पहले वकील को बोलते थे प्राइम मिनिस्टर। सो व्हाट डज सेसा इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ही हैज गिवन? सरकार एंड परगना एंड विलेज। एंड देन वी हैव सीन व्हाट ही हैज टेकन इन द डिपार्टमेंट्स, 4 इंपॉर्टेंट डिपार्टमेंट: Diwane Vijarat, Diwane Urj, Diwane Rasala, Diwane Insa. Okay? And thereafter, what he has given to us? Todarmal Bandobast. Understood? Land revenue. But Todarmal Bandobast, it is not, in his period it is known as, in the Akbar it is known as Todarmal Bandobast. Understood? Like in Todarmal has supported to give in a better, making a better policy, and it has divided into the three types of the land. Which are the three types of the land? Good, middle and bad. And thereafter, I said that Akbar also accepted it, and then Chehra and both have continued, and then postal services along with the best weights and measures. We have been able to see taxation system. Where the two taxation systems are, sorry? Indus and Bihar and Bengal border. And then what he has given? Rupiah and Dam. Rupiah as in a silver and then Dam as in a copper. And thereafter I said that he has made, I said that GT road. Yes. And the GT road ke side mein kya laga hua hai? Neem. Along with the Sarai. He has also made Sarai. And then tomb at Sasaram in Bihar. And then new city at the bank of Yamuna, Purana Kila. And then Muhammad Jassi has written Padmavat in the Hindi. And thereafter we have seen, yes, Tarikhe Shersahi, written by Sarvani. Understood? Akbar. I said Akbar. And then Akbar has given Jalaluddin Mahmud. Akbar was the son of Humayun and Mahi. का उल्टा क्या होगा? Hima. जो भी Hami, Hima, जैसे भी बोल दो. Yes. Mahi Begum. And then Babur has given Humayun. Yes or not? And Humayun and Mahi का उल्टा कर दोगे तो Hima, Hima से कर दो Hami. जो भी है Hamida Begum. Banu हटा दो. I said that Humayun and Hamida Begum has given, yes, Akbar. Born at Amarkot. And then Bairam Khan coronated him at Kalanor, that is in Pakistan. वहाँ पे 14 years में he has made the ruler. And Bairam Khan, Pakistan. हाँ? पाकिस्तान हर बॉर्डर पे है ना, कहाँ पे है? हरियाणा में? पता नहीं. पाकिस्तान में ये आ कहाँ से सकता है? यहाँ के चलो आ गया होगा, बना के निकल गया होगा. हमें तो याद रख लेना है कलनौर कहाँ पे? पाकिस्तान. आई सेड दैट यहाँ पे आना ही उसके लिए मुश्किल है. चलिए आ जाइए. ठीक है. So, Kalanor, and then Bairam Khan represented him in the second battle of Panipat, and then he fought with, I said that Vikramaditya Hemu, the PM of Muhammad Shah Adil of Bengal, and was defeated, and Hemu is considered the last Hindu king of Delhi. And between 1556 to 1560, India में कहाँ पे दिखा रहा है आपको? रोहतक. छोड़ दो. रोहतक तो किसी हालत में नहीं आ सकता है. ऐसे रोहतक आ गया तो फिर तो छोड़ो मुझे. भाई पंजाब गुरदासपुर मान लो तो गुरदासपुर का एरिया पाकिस्तान साइड आ गया. कहीं भी हो. आई सेड दैट आई कहाँ पे थे हम? 1556 to 1560, Bairam Khan was there, and but thereafter Bairam Khan has to say that आप मक्का जाओ. Where you have to go? And when he was passing through the, what is it? I said that Gujarat, he has been what? Killed in between. And then I said that Akbar ruled under Bairam Khan's regency, and Bairam Khan was assassinated at Patan in Gujarat on his way to Makkah by one of his old Afghani enemies. Understood? 1561 and 1562, he conquered which one? Malwa. Yes, Malwa. 1531 mein already Gujarat has taken him. Yes, 1532. And thereafter, who was the Baj Bahadur, the king of it? And Baj Bahadur became one of the famous magician under the court of Akbar. Baj Bahadur. And he was the king of what I said that? Malwa in 1561, 62, after that. and then Gadkatanga in the Jabalpur, where I said that Gadkatanga ruled by Rani Durgavati. Gadkatanga. I said that. Thereafter Chittor, and thereafter Ranthambore, followed by Chittor and Ranthambore. It has been covered by, I said that. Yes. तो पहला कौन सा लिया? Yes. Which region he has taken, Mr. Akbar? Just tell me. Which region? Malwa in 1561-62, and thereafter this region Gadkatanga. Thereafter I said that Chittor and Ranthambore. Can you remember? Understood? Which are I said that Chittor and. So first I